Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove duplicates in Excel. Okay, you can find duplicates, numbers or words, or you can find duplicates in raw or columns, or you can remove duplicates from Excel. So how it is works? So let's start with the video. If you're new on this channel, if you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and comments below. So without time wasting, let's start with video. So here you can use the formulas or shortcuts to delete your duplicates, or if you have two duplicates, so you can keep first one and delete second one. Okay, so first you need to show check your duplicates in Excel. So you can check here, I have two duplicates like name also, okay, numbers also. You can see the duplicates. So I want to do delete duplicates. So simple, you have to select the area you want to delete duplicates from me. So you can select by scrolling. Okay, or otherwise you can select to click here. This is how you can select all Excel. Okay, so I'm going to select only raw on sale that I want to I want to delete duplicates from here. Okay, so I already selected. So now I need to go in data. Okay, so here you have to find remove duplicates. Okay, so using these option you can eliminate duplicates raw Excel or data. So click on it. So I have select first name, Jan and Feb. This is by default which I selected, which will show here. So here you can see my data has header. It it is default, it is clicked. Okay, if it is unticked you need to click on it, because if you have header, so it should be click. Okay, if you want to select all, you can click on this. So select all, you can unselect any raw by clicking here. Okay, so you can see this is first name, this is header name, Jan and Feb. Okay, so we have this data. If you want to click now, then first one will be, sorry, second one will be deleted and first will be kept. So okay, so you can see the duplicate data has been deleted now. So if I undo this, you can see. So guys, that is how you can remove the duplicates from Excel, or you can delete the duplicates from the Excel by keeping first one. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for